Hey guys, Matthew Palumbo here from Stinger Solutions, and I'm here today to talk to you about the High-10 integrated kits for a number of popular vehicles. These kits offer the best fit and finish and the most popular features for your vehicle. So some of the things that make the High-10 so special and make it such a perfect fit for most popular vehicles is that we really tried to retain that OEM style fit and finish. These High-10 units with the integrated kits look perfect in these vehicles. They really blend into the dash, so you don't end up with that tablet pasted on the dash style of an install. Although these are a large screen radio, they're not your traditional floating screen because of the integrated plastics that we've come up with to make these mold into the dash more like a factory installation. The fit and finish is top notch. We also retain all of the OEM features as best as possible. So steering wheel controls, backup cameras, chimes, not to mention advanced vehicle information like the climate controls or vehicle status, the door open status, tire pressures, check engine lights, climate controls, all of that stuff can populate on the High-10 screen. We also include camera expandability with this unit because the High-10 has 4 camera inputs. So you can do a front, rear, and both side cameras, as well as all the triggers built in. So you don't have to add any additional modules or any additional wiring to add up to 4 cameras to your vehicle. So there you have it, guys. If you're interested in upgrading the multimedia head unit in your vehicle, make sure to check out the Stinger High-10. You can find all the information on the Stinger High-10 and all those great integrated kits at stingersolutions.com.